How to get proof of insurance from GEICO Online. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. To get proof of insurance from GEICO Online as it's written in the article in their website. For more states, you can get a copy of your digital ID card through GEICO Mobile. And as valid proof of insurance, MANH do not accept the digital ID cards available through GEICO Mobile as valid proof of insurance. So, if you have your mobile, download the GEICO app and there log into your account. And after you log in, you'll find ID card section. And that is the valid proof of your insurance. And this is how to get proof of insurance from GEICO Online. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.